Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make viral motivational shorts, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through a straightforward process using Canva and ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and tricks you need to create eye-catching, inspiring short videos that are perfect for sharing on YouTube or wherever you want to motivate others. So let's jump right in and start creating something awesome together. First things first, we'll start by heading over to Canva. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, Canva is an amazingly user-friendly design platform even if you're totally new to video editing. Once you're on Canva, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts. This is crucial because shorts have their own vertical format, different from regular videos. Selecting the correct template makes sure your video isn't awkwardly cropped or stretched when you upload it. Now let's focus on the canvas itself. Set the background to black. I know this might sound simple, but a black background gives your text and images extra pop. It's like starting with a blank chalkboard where everything stands out. Just a quick tip, to change the background, simply click on the canvas, choose the color and select black from the palette. Next, click on the canvas so it's selected and then head over to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type in inspirational or motivational background. You'll see a bunch of graphics, photos, or even light video overlays you can use. Take a minute to scroll and pick something that really speaks to you. It could be a sunrise, mountain, anything that suggests growth or potential. Drag your chosen image or element onto your canvas and stretch it out so it covers the whole background. Now, this next step is important for adding some visual depth. Reduce the transparency of your background image. To do this, select your image, look for the transparency option at the top right and bring it down to maybe 30 or 40%. The idea here is to let the image add subtle texture but not overpower the text we'll add later. Think of it sort of like lightly sketching in the background of a drawing before adding bold lines on top. With your background set, it's time for the text, the main focus of your motivational short. Head over to ChatGPT, ask, give me a motivational or inspirational script. Just wait a moment for the AI to generate a response. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. It's kind of like waiting for a friend to come up with the perfect pep talk. If you'd rather keep it simple, you can just ask for a motivational quote instead. Once you have a script or quote you like, copy it. Now go back to your Canva project and paste the text onto your canvas. This is where you want to play around a bit, adjust the font size and color for clarity. Make sure it's big, easy to read, and stands out against that background. Remember, shorts are viewed on small phone screens, so legibility is key here. Try bold fonts, increase contrast, and space out the lines if the text feels crowded. Give your video a final once-over. Watch it through, check that the background doesn't distract from the text, and make sure every word is clear. Trust your gut. If it motivates you, it'll probably motivate someone else too. And that's it, you've just created your own motivational short, ready to inspire hundreds, maybe thousands of viewers. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.